Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the chart of gold and we all know that gold is flying. Gold is flying and gold looks unstoppable. Gold made a high of almost 2020 yesterday, and right now we can see that after some consolidation, gold is standing at 2115. Couple of days ago, when we were talking about bullishness on gold, many people criticized me that Abhilash, you are always bullish. You always talk about following the trend of the market, and we can see the result right now. And those who have been on sell position, you must be very careful because we can clearly see the trend of the market is still very much bullish. So if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold consolidates after rallying to all-time high. Gold breaks above 2100 for the first time. Gold climbs to a new record high even as treasury yields are on the rise. Means gold is not listening to DXY or treasury yields right now. Gold is flying solo. So if you prefer to trade on correlation, then it may not be the perfect time and you must follow the trend of the gold alone. And if you look at the market, economy calendar, we can see that we have a news coming up during the US session. So please be careful during the US session. You can see PMI coming up. PMI is not a big event like NFP, but yes, there will be volatility and already the market is too much volatile. So please be careful. And market will be mostly waiting for, or especially the dollar pairs will be mostly waiting for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have retail sales on euro, and most importantly Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's testimony is coming up. And as we all know, Friday we have NFP. So this week is going to be crazy. And this is the forex sentiment meter, and the sentiment meter is showing us that 83% retail traders are holding their sell position, and the average sell price is 2067. And in the comment section also I saw that many of you are still having your sell positions open. So 83 percentage is a big number. So my dear friends, please be careful. If you have a sell position, be on the trade right now. But if you see that gold is going up, gold is flying again, then please try to exit once you see gold is trading above 2120. Because if gold breaks 2120, there is a high chance that gold will be heading towards the next resistance of 2150. And if you see that gold is standing at 2150, it will be a big difference between the market and your sell position. My dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. It is very important for you to know when to exit from the position as well. So if you did not exit, okay, just forget about it. But if you are still holding your sell position, then please be careful. Again, I'm repeating, once you'll see market is going above this level, try to exit, because market will be heading towards 2150. Later on, if market reverses, then you can try to take a sell at the top. But already you have a huge difference of 600 to 700 pips, and this difference is huge, because right now the market condition is very uncertain. Nobody can predict the market. Okay, and right now the market is too fragile. So what are the trading opportunities then? First of all, if you have a buy on the gold, if you are a positional trader, if you are a swing trader, and if you have taken a buy, be on the trade, you must be very happy, because gold was flying. Gold is unstoppable. So be on the trade if you already have a buy. Yesterday I told you that I had a buy stop at 2090, which I exited because I was not expecting gold to cross 2100. Today I have placed my buy stop at 2120.50. Above this level, let's wait and watch. Then what are the trading opportunities? Then we have another trading opportunity around 2087. Why 2087? Because around 2087 we had the previous resistance. So around 2087, 2088 we can expect that market will be taking support. If market takes support and bounces, we can go for a buy. This will be a buy at retracement. As we all know, in any uptrend market, buy at retracement is the best and the safest trading strategy. But the problem is market is too bullish and 2087 seems to be far away. So if market drops, then we can also observe the market around 2100, especially during the day. Especially during the day before the US session, you can also observe the market around 2100, 2105. Day traders, if you love to take risk, if you see market taking support around the level, you can go for a buy. But after PMI, if the market is very volatile, try to follow the trend of the market. Do not look for reversals. And in any uptrend market, if market doesn't come for retracement, see, retracement or buying at retracement is the best and the safest trading strategy. But sometimes market doesn't come for retracement. In that case, buy at breakout is another solution. Buy at breakout is a little bit risky because we have a fear of a false breakout as well. But if market doesn't come for retracement, we cannot help it. In that case, we can go for a buy above breakout as well, which is above 2020. My buy stop is at 2020, and we can also go for this as well. But honestly speaking, I also have placed a sell position right now, small sell position. Okay, usually I go with a lot size of 1.2, 1.5, but I have taken a small lot size of 0.1 right now because still I have a belief that market may reverse. And my dear friends, this is Chart Prime. If you don't know about Chart Prime, then Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator at present for traders like us. Chart Prime have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle, Market Dynamics Pro, and Prime Oscillator Pro. And if you want to take your analysis to the next level and also want signals on a screen like this, then yes, Chart Prime can be the best solution for you. Market Oracle Pro and Prime Oscillator Pro generate signals on the chart like this. And if you use bands, they have also internal settings. If you use them, then they also tell you about the range of the market as well. And if you want to read the structure of the market, then you can use Market Dynamics Pro. You can see higher highs, lower lows, and it also tells you when there is a change of character, break of structure. You get everything ready-made. So feel free to check out Chart Prime. The link is in the description. My dear friends, on the chart of gold right now, I see three trading opportunities. First of all, buy at breakout, which is above 20. It's not 20. Wow, we are not used to it. 2120.50. Okay, 2120.50. I think it will take some time for us to digest that gold is trading above 2100. Anyways, and for the last couple of days, we have seen that buy and breakout trades are doing well because market is so bullish that market is not coming for retracement. So if market breaks the level, especially during the European session and US session, we can look for a buy because technically it seems that market will be heading towards the big resistance of 2150. I have already placed a sell limit at 2148 and without stop loss right now. And if market reverses from there, we can definitely look for a sell. And at this moment, I don't think so that market will break 2150. Honestly speaking, I also have taken a sell, which I already explained. So I think that there is a possibility that a news will come. Dollar may show some reversal signs and we may see a drop on gold and gold may come below 2100. There is a possibility. Okay. So let's wait and watch. Okay, market is full of surprises. We cannot predict it, and we can just react according to the market. But in case I see that I'm wrong, market is going up again, obviously my buy stop will be triggered and I will exit from my 0.1 sell position. And anyways, on the other hand, if market doesn't go for breakout and finally if market comes for retracement, in that case we have two trading opportunities, especially in absence of news. The first level is 2087, where we have the previous resistance acting as support, and we also have 2100 or 2105. 2100 is a psychological level, so there is a chance that in absence of volume, because right now we can see that there is not much volume in the market. So in absence of volume, we can expect that if market drops during the day, especially before the US session, market will get some support around this area. So if market takes support and bounces, we can definitely look for a buy position. So these are two levels where we can look for a buy if market comes for retracement, and if it doesn't come for retracement, we can look for a buy and breakout. But buy and breakout can be a little bit riskier because already we have been buying and breakout for a long time. And if you look at a chart of gold, then obviously their retracement is due, because no market in the world can keep on going like this. Okay, because if we look at the news, then the reasons, okay, the reasons because of which market is going up, okay, are a little bit hard to digest. Okay, or at least I found it hard to digest. Maybe I'm wrong, or maybe your opinions may vary, but I'm not sure right now. Okay, I think that we have a good possibility of a reversal, and as we all know, for a reversal, we need a fundamental factor. So after a news, maybe after the speech by Federalist Jerome Powell, where he may not talk about or indicate about any rate cuts, that may take DXY to the upside and gold to the downside. Or if you look at NFP, the numbers may be so strong that gold may drop. Something like that may happen. Okay. But yes, I'm hopeful that market may drop, but still, uh, nobody can say. And be careful with your sell position. Okay, if market continues the upside, please try to exit.